Industrial 4.0 drives productivity, reduces costs, and enhances quality. The surge in IoT devices and industrial automation demands reliable platform service availability. This is where IEI Remote Management Solution steps in, acting as the bridge between IT and OT. IT traditionally manages information, data, and software in a business, while OT focuses on the control and monitoring of physical devices and processes. Both IT and OT share a common objective, ensuring service availability while minimizing costly downtime. IEI Remote Management streamlines operations in both IT and OT, reducing unexpected failures within industrial automation systems. It features a user-friendly web-based interface for remote access. It also provides real-time device health monitoring and customizable email alerts for anomalies. Designed for any x86 device running on Linux or Windows, it comes with pre-installed iRM software on a wide-temperature mini-server and supports multiple RAID technologies for enhanced data protection. Our versatile remote management solution is fully compatible with non-AEI devices, simplifying OT maintenance. It offers one-click OS recovery, preserving settings, and ensuring secure automated data backups. The iRM assists OT by monitoring the OS status of edge devices, generating real-time alerts for critical OS problems, allowing early intervention by IT professionals. IEI Remote Management benefits IT and OT by detecting issues early and promoting collaboration. This centralized monitoring solution improves industrial application availability at the edge, ensuring efficient and resilient OT infrastructures.